Seniors on the Small Screen, Aging in Popular Television Content was conducted to investigate and assess the prevalence and portrayal of senior characters in popular television series. This investigation by Dr. Stacy Smith and Dr. Catherine Piper, among others from the Media Diversity and Social Change Initiative, utilized 2 samples to gather the 50 most popular television shows based on Nielsen ratings. The 2 groups were those aged 18 to 49 and then those aged 65 or older. Quantitative analysis was conducted to see how senior characters were portrayed throughout the samples, and how the characters above the age of 60 were depicted. Then qualitative analysis was used to gauge the types of roles these senior characters had, whether they were leading, supporting, series regulars, recurring characters, and more. The report was split into 6 different research questions. These questions were: 1. What is the demographic profile of seniors on popular TV? 2. What is the employment status of seniors on popular television? 3. What is the health profile of senior characters on television? 4. What type of relationships do senior characters have with their families? 5. What is the media and technology use profile of senior characters on television? And 6. What type of language is used to refer to senior characters on television? The researchers prefaced the report by saying that 19.9% of the U.S. population in 2015 were seniors, and then while that number goes up, the number of challenges they face increase as well. These challenges are things like healthcare, the workforce, housing, and public entitlement programs. The rest of the population sees this and develop ideas about what it means to get older. An important way for people to update their views on aging is entertainment media, and the nature of this study deals with television specifically. The research came back with significant findings, which the researchers categorized as: seniors are snubbed in popular television programs, senior characters spring from the imaginations of younger creators, seniors are still shown in the workforce in popular television programs, and seniors confront ageist comments in popular television programs. When it came to seniors being snubbed, data showed that senior characters filled less than 10% of speaking roles in popular series, which was analyzed in the demographic profile of seniors on popular television. This is intriguing because their representation in these shows is not consistent with the real-life statistic, where seniors represent about 1/5 of the entire United States population. This idea connects to the idea that as different races are underrepresented in popular television, so are seniors. This segues into the chunk of data within this finding where the demographic representation of seniors in television shows does not mirror the real-world diversity of senior citizens in the country. Less than 30% of senior characters were female, even though over half of the seniors in the United States are female. There was a select few shows that had a representation for Black, Asian, and Latino senior female characters, and only one show that had a senior LGBT representation. Next, the report addressed that senior characters sprang from the imaginations of younger content creators. Of the 72 shows that were used for evaluation, only 12.6% of credited directors, writers, and showrunners were aged 60 or older. There was even more disparity for those that were aged 60 and older and were female or otherwise underrepresented racial groups. There was exactly 1 senior female writer and exactly 1 female showrunner for the entire 72 shows. The research found that seniors are still shown in the workforce within popular television programs. Real-world data shows that seniors in large part have left the workforce, but this isn't as well portrayed in the shows that the researchers evaluated. Almost 75% of the seniors in these shows not only had a job, but it was a highly respected role as well. The researchers note that younger viewers might think highly of seniors in the workforce, where retired seniors may see this depiction as still having the capability to make an impact in society at such an age. Lastly, the report details that seniors in popular television programs confront ageist comments. The language used in these shows generally reflects stereotyping against seniors, which was consistent with the researchers' previous studies in film. The fact that younger content creators are running things suggests that they rely on outdated concepts toward age. The article was helpful for showing how yet another demographic is underrepresented and therefore misrepresented in popular entertainment. It connects to the other topics we have covered in class, as it's another area where popular entertainment is not properly diversifying its programs. It ties into how gender and racial groups in the form of senior characters is also underrepresented and not reflective of real-life population figures. This article shows that seniors are drastically underutilized, which generally opens the door for poor conceptions about aging.